What is going on, y'all? So, we are here at our pickup, and when I started my truck today, since I took a whole week off, I forgot to turn off my kill switch to not drain my battery power. And now when I try to turn on my truck, it started very slow and very rough, and now I got that service deaf thing going in Derate mode, and sometimes that's because of a computer issue. So what I'm gonna do is, usually this kind of works. You turn off that kill switch. I disconnect the main terminals, which is this big one right here, the red and the black, and then that one right there, that's my computer wire. That's the thing that connects to the truck computer. So anyways, that's what I'm dealing with right now. So I'm going to disconnect those things. All right, that's it. In usual situation like this, I just wait. I'm just gonna let it chill for like a good 5-10 minutes or something like that, and then I'll connect everything back, and hopefully when we start her back up again, it shouldn't be an issue, and hopefully the issue will be solved. So, but yeah, I just connected the terminals right here, the negative, the positive back there. These ones in between don't matter, and that small wire in the back, which is the computer wire. So we're just gonna let it chill here for another 10 minutes or so, then we're gonna connect everything back and start it up, and hopefully that code is gone or whatever. Let's see what happens now. Are we gonna get that code or not? Start her up, see what she does. If we get that code right away, then we're pretty much screwed. If not, then we're good. All right, started her up. Let's see, anything? Please be nothing. Okay, we got nothing. All right, y'all, so we just got loaded, and let's see what these guys put in my trailer, because this is like medical supplies or something like that. Man, look at that, like not even half a trailer. We got the seal right here. I think I'm gonna grab a strap really quick. I'll throw that on there, but hey, we're loaded. I'm gonna close up these doors and pop the seal on there, strap up that load, and let's go. Let's get that delivery up in Massachusetts. Let's go, y'all. We're gonna drive maybe for a few more hours, stop for the night, and that's it. So, all right, y'all, let's go. Man, guys, good morning, first of all. It is the next day. We got some really good sleep. We're about like 6 hours away from our destination, so we got plenty of time to get there. Our delivery's tomorrow morning at 5 a.m. We are in Middletown, Delaware right now, but just really quick, guys, safety is important. This truck driver hooked up to their trailer that was parked right next to me, and when they pulled out, her trailer literally unhooked right there. You gotta do your checks. You gotta check that your fifth wheel is locked in, and before you pull out, you gotta do your tug test, especially if you're hooking and dropping trailers, and that's exactly what was happening in this situation. So I checked my fifth wheel right there. There's a little lever. Make sure that that's pushed all the way in. That's not out. And then we check underneath the truck to make sure that there's a little bar across that little fifth wheel right there in that little opening gap. There's a little bar that goes across to make sure that it's locked in. So it is. So you know you're gonna be good. It's very important to do these safety checks, you know. I literally fell asleep, and my appointment's not for like 5 a.m. and I get a knock on my door saying that go ahead and back in door 15. Man, that didn't take long at all. go. Close these doors, and we're good. All right, y'all. Let's go park back across, and let's go get some shut-eye. It's midnight. I was actually happy that they took our load, you know, at midnight, which is fine. Like, they got me loaded, they got me empty, not loaded, empty in like 20 minutes. So super fast, super cool. I didn't have to wake up early this morning, like at 4 a.m. or something like that, just to check in for 5. But parked my truck and went to sleep, guys. So we got a full night's of rest, which is amazing. Right now we're headed towards our pickup. Our pickup window is between 12 and 4, but it looks like we're gonna get there around 10:30ish. It's in Rhode Island, and it's in this like end of the residential street area or something like that. I think I've been here only once before, and I know I struggled getting in. My goodness, guys. So hard in this place. Look at this. I barely have any space to maneuver in here. Yes, this is the place. I've been here before, but my goodness. So hard to get into. You know, it's Rhode Island, so everything is so tight. One car parks on the corner of the street, you can't make your turn. So, you know, you're not in Rhode Island if you don't hit any curves, yo. Alright, good. I mean, look, that's all the space I have forward, and you gotta make that. It's pretty tight. I gotta say, it's pretty tight. Let's try that. Sometimes you get in these spots, you just can't get in. It's just a little bit harder than you think. No. I'm so used to driving with my, there we go. It's a lot better. Good, we're loaded, let's G. Yo, we stopped for a break because I got hungry. I'm already pretty much finished. You can't skip out on Panda Express, yo. You just can't. It's too good. This stuff's on crack. Yo, it's the next day. We slept so well, man, like over 10 hours. We got so much time to kill until our delivery today for 5 p.m. But anyways, we're rested really well. We're about to get going. Our truck's warming up, but before we even get on with this day, I need to stop by my favorite truck stop to get me some diesel, and I need to get myself some diesel, which is coffee. So let's go do that. Let's get diesel and let's get coffee because I need to wake up. Heck yeah. Turn engine off, please. All right, sure. Let's try that. Let's go see. Hello, how are you? Need ID? All right, and bills, right? Perfect. How you doing today? All right, stop sign left. All the way down to the shipping office. Shipping office. All right, perfect. Sounds good. Thank you. All right, sweet. Guys, so we just got checked in. Well, they got clear docks over here, so that's a good thing. I have been here before, just a really long time ago, when I was a driver. Yeah, when I was working as a driver for this Ukrainian guy. No, this looks like the place. Let's see. Hey, how are you?
Good, how you doing?
Good, good, good.
Alright, I'm gonna pull the paperwork, just wait on the rocks, they'll come out and let's
packed in, and we just have to chill and wait for them to get us empty. I see the guy right there coming with a forklift. I don't know if you see him. Yeah, he's over there somewhere. He's going inside the building, and hopefully they just get us empty soon, fast, and we can go. Yeah, all right, let's do this. Yo, we got our paperwork, let's G! Oh man. All right, we gotta go close at least one door, because lady at the security gate, we gotta slide our tandems too. Lady at the security gate said that we need to leave one door open to make sure I'm not stealing anything. So, did I tell you what we were hauling? We were hauling diapers. So, we had a trailer with diapers. It wasn't even that full, but I mean, that could have definitely fit a lot more in there. Let's see. Did they get everything? And perfect. They got everything out of my truck, and they left my strap. That's what we need, y'all. All right, so I'll just close this one door, and I'll leave the other one open, and then we'll close that one when we get out to check out for security. So, all right, let's see. Man, perfect. The sun is starting to set, so man, it's a beautiful day. Seriously beautiful day. So, but guys, I think that's it. So what else is there? Get out of security, check out, close that door. Look, really short run. We literally just went up north and came straight back down. So what can I say? It's what I always say. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate you guys just, you know, checking back for fresh content. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, that like button, turn on that notifications bell, and come back for more. I really appreciate you guys watching. Take care. Peace. Let's G. God bless y'all.